The 12 coolest kitchen gadgets found on Amazon today. The world of Amazon kitchen gadgets has never been more exciting and playful. Whether you're a seasoned home chef or an enthusiastic food lover, we've got some fantastic Amazon finds to take your cooking game to the next level. From nifty choppers that effortlessly dice your veggies to smart gizmos that whip up the fluffiest pancakes with a wink. Okay, almost. I scoured the internet and rounded up the 12 absolute best kitchen gadgets Amazon has to offer this year. These gems are guaranteed to bring out the inner chef in you, while adding a touch of fun and simplicity to your culinary endeavors. It'll also make you wonder how you ever cooked without them. You can find these products links in the description of the video. Number 12. Ninja Blender. A high-quality blender is a game-changer for foodies who enjoy creating silky smoothies, creamy soups, and luscious sauces. With a powerful motor and versatile settings, a blender can effortlessly crush ice, blend fruits, and puree vegetables, allowing you to experiment with various recipes and textures. The Ninja Blender is a powerhouse in the kitchen, capable of blending up anything from smoothies to soups with ease. Its powerful motor and sharp blades ensure smooth and consistent results every time. With multiple blending settings and a convenient pulse feature, you can easily control the texture and consistency of your creations. Number 11. Nostalgia Electric Ice Cream Maker. If you take a second look, you'll find that this easy carry handle ice cream maker is actually electric. Take a trip down memory lane and enjoy delicious ice cream, gelato, or frozen yogurt in a matter of minutes. One reviewer says, "We bought this ice cream maker to have a fun experience with our 3-year-old granddaughter. She loved helping make the ice cream. This machine was very easy to use, worked well, and produced genuinely good ice cream." Number 10. Vegetable Chopper. The vegetable chopper is a handy gadget that will save you time and effort in the kitchen. With its sharp blades and ergonomic design, it allows you to quickly and efficiently chop up vegetables for your meals. No more tears from chopping onions or spending hours cutting up carrots and celery. This gadget makes the task a breeze. Plus, it's compact and easy to clean, making it a must-have for any kitchen. Say goodbye to tedious chopping and hello to perfectly diced veggies in no time. Chopping vegetables can be time-consuming, but not with a trusty vegetable chopper. Save precious minutes in the kitchen and achieve consistent results by using this handy gadget to dice, slice, and chop your favorite veggies effortlessly. Number 9. Silicone Kitchen Utensil Set. Ditch the traditional utensils and embrace the convenience of a silicone kitchen utensil set. These heat-resistant, non-stick tools are gentle on cookware, ensuring that your pots and pans remain scratch-free while you cook up a storm. The Silicone Kitchen Utensil Set is a game-changer when it comes to cooking and baking. These versatile and durable utensils are made from high-quality silicone, which is heat-resistant and non-stick. This means you can confidently use them with any type of cookware, including non-stick pans, without worrying about scratching the surface. The set typically includes a variety of utensils such as spoons, spatulas, tongs, and more, ensuring that you have the right tool for any cooking task. Number 8. Electric Hand Mixer. Baking enthusiasts rejoice! An electric hand mixer is an essential tool for achieving the perfect consistency in your batters and whipping up airy delights like cakes, cupcakes, and akara. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable whisking, even during extended baking sessions. The electric hand mixer is a must-have gadget for any baker or dessert enthusiast. With its powerful motor and multiple speed settings, it makes whipping up fluffy cakes, creamy frosting, and smooth batters a breeze. No more sore arms from hand mixing. This handy tool is lightweight, compact, and easy to use, making it perfect for both novice bakers and experienced chefs. Say goodbye to exhausting whisking and hello to effortlessly delicious treats. Number 7. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. Here's a best-selling purchase you'll use on a regular basis. With a 6-egg limit, you can boil, poach, or scramble eggs, or better yet, create an omelette with one press of a button. The gizmo auto shuts off, so you don't have to run back and forth from the kitchen. With over 100,000 ratings averaging 4.7 stars, this egg cooker is an absolute must-have. One reviewer states, If you are on the fence about getting one of these, it really is as easy as it sounds to have a perfectly cooked egg. No guesswork. Number 6. OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner. You've likely seen this salad spinner everywhere, and for about $30, you can find out why everyone loves it. I've been using this salad spinner a few times a week for the past month, and it has been great. The design is very easy to use and better than the old ripcord designs from 15 years ago. A reviewer explains. Number 5. Dutch Oven Pot. A Dutch oven pot is a kitchen classic that every foodie should have. With excellent heat retention and distribution, it's perfect for slow-cooking hearty stews, braising meats, and baking artisanal bread. The Dutch oven pot is a versatile and essential kitchen gadget that every home cook should have. Its heavy-duty construction and even heat distribution make it perfect for cooking a wide range of dishes, from soups and stews to roasts and casseroles. The pot's thick walls and tight-fitting lid also make it ideal for slow cooking and braising, allowing flavors to develop and intensify over time. Its durable design ensures that it will last for years, becoming a beloved staple in your kitchen. Say goodbye to mediocre meals and hello to flavorful and tender dishes with the Dutch Oven Pot. Number 4. Cookware Set. Why settle for just one Dutch oven when you can have a whole set? A cookware set offers various sizes to accommodate different recipes and cooking needs, providing you with even more culinary possibilities. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen essentials, a cookware set is a must-have. These versatile sets typically include a range of pots, pans, and lids, providing you with the tools you need to tackle any recipe. From sautéing vegetables to simmering sauces to searing steaks, a high-quality cookware set will elevate your cooking game. Look for sets that are made from durable materials such as stainless steel or non-stick coatings for easy cleanup. With a cookware set in your arsenal, you'll be ready to take on any culinary challenge and create delicious meals with ease. Number 3. Cast Iron Skillet. For perfect sears and superior heat retention, a cast iron skillet is a must-have. From steaks to frittatas, this rugged and reliable kitchen tool adds a delicious caramelized crust to your dishes. The cast iron skillet is a kitchen staple that every home cook should have in their arsenal. This versatile and durable piece of cookware can handle a wide range of cooking tasks, from searing steaks to baking cornbread. Its even heat distribution ensures that your food cooks evenly and develops a beautiful crust. Plus, the skillet's seasoned surface becomes naturally non-stick over time, making it perfect for cooking delicate foods like eggs and pancakes. Number 2. Mason Jars. Mason jars are not only great for preserving jams and pickles, but also serve as stylish storage containers for pantry staples like grains, nuts, and dried herbs. Mason jars have become a staple in many kitchens, and for good reason. These versatile glass containers have taken the culinary world by storm, offering endless possibilities for storing, preserving, and even serving food. One of the greatest benefits of using mason jars in your kitchen is their ability to keep your ingredients fresh for longer. The airtight seal provided by the lids ensures that your spices, grains, and other dry goods stay as fresh as the day you bought them. Number 1. Spice Containers. An organized spice collection is a foodie's best friend. Invest in quality spice containers to keep your aromatic treasures fresh and easily accessible during your culinary adventures. Spices are the secret ingredient that can take any dish from ordinary to extraordinary. But if you're like most people, you probably have a jumble of spice jars taking up precious space in your pantry. That's where spice containers come in to save the day. Spice containers are a game changer when it comes to organizing your spices. These nifty little containers are designed to keep your spices fresh and easily accessible, making cooking a breeze. With their compact size and stackable design, they help maximize your storage space while keeping everything neat and tidy. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.